Hi guys! So here is one of the paintings that I'm in a challenge with Michael from his channel. I have a link to his channel in the description. So this painting is resin, or going to be. And basically I made this wooden canvas for the resin. And what I'm going to do first, so we're going to do a beach theme, and we had to incorporate words. So for this resin beach theme, the word is summer breeze. So what I'm going to do first, I've gessoed the wood, and I'm just basically going to paint the colors underneath that I would like for the beach scene. So it's kind of looking at the beach from above. You've probably seen a bunch of them. They're pretty cool. I mixed up a bit of sandy brown. So I used some of this Pabeo number 36. It's just raw sienna with a little bit of white. So I'm just going to figure out where I want the sand to be. And because I'm going to have sand here. I think like that. I think like that'll work. So I'm just gonna paint this area with the brown to begin with. It's gonna be under the resin that's gonna have a bit of sand in it. So this is just straight acrylic, mixed acrylic. It doesn't have anything, no additives in it. I'm not too worried about it being too perfect because I'm going to be putting resin on top with other colors, so I'm not too worried about the edge being like super, I guess, straight. This is just because I don't think I can add, like the resin will still be a little bit see-through, so even though I'm going to add some pigment to it, this way if it is, you still get the sandy beach. Okay, that's looking pretty good for sand. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some of the blues. I need another paintbrush. Yeah, we'll use this one. So I was going to use this Basics Bright Aqua Green for some of the ocean. And also a combination of this Artist Loft Brazilian Blue. I think that'll look good for like the deeper out portion, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some on. Ooh, it's pretty. I'm just going to add a little bit of blue, the dark blue, into the depths. Okay, it's looking really good. I'm going to pour a bit of white. one. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to let this dry. That's basically going to be the base coat for the resin. And then I'm going to mix up some resin. I'm going to just tint it with some acrylic paint on the same tones. And I'm going to put the tape around the edges and go from there. Okay, so I'm back. I have my resin mixed and the colors mixed. I have this resin that I mixed with some sand. So I'm going to pour that in the sandy area. It's all scratchy because of the sand. I might have to mix a bit more, but we'll see. I have this level. And all I did was I put some tuck tape on the sides to catch the resin. Beauty. Okay, that's spread out pretty good. Leave that there. So I have some blues. This is the nice turquoise blue. And some dark blue. And I'm just going to spread that out a bit. That's my spreader. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So, and then I got some white for kind of like the wave coming into the beach. So basically I just took a straw and I'm just blowing the white resin around to create these really cool waves, just like waves crashing onto the beach from the ocean. This is a great technique for it. and it works really good. So, and then you'll see I'll just be adding in a few more lines of white in the further out in the ocean, like waves further out, and I'll blow them around too, just to make them look like crashing waves. So I'm super excited to see what Michael came up with his summer breeze ocean theme, and I'm gonna watch it as soon as I'm done editing this video. But it should be pretty cool to see if we're similar, if we're different with them. I'm excited. I have no idea. And I just want to thank Michael for reaching out and doing this collaboration. And I think it's super fun to challenge each other. And yeah, I'm super excited. So can't wait to see what he comes up with. And with the other two paintings too. So there's more videos to come. So I thought I'd share that. This is just me continuing on with the waves and just keep adding paint, and yeah. I think that's looking really good. Now I'm gonna torch it a little. Ooh, I like it. I was going to incorporate the words in here somehow. Yes. It's looking really good though. I think I might put a little bit more white wave over here. Okay, so here I'm just adding a bit of extra sand to the sandy area. I'm super happy that I painted that sandy area, the brown color on the wooden canvas, because all I did was I used clear resin with sand in it. So I'm just adding extra sand in there, and it just drops right in and you can see it, and it gives a nice grainy texture. So I also wanted to give a quick shout out to another channel. It's Sharon Lindley of Vivid Days. I'll have her link in the description. I watched a couple of her beach resin painting techniques, and that's where I got the idea to paint the canvas first and then add the resin on top, and as well as Michael's. They're super talented, and yeah, so I wanted to share that with you guys. And here I'm just incorporating the word summer breeze right into the resin. So I took a toothpick and I'm just picking out some of the white resin that I had mixed up, and I'm writing it right into the ocean area where the waves are, because I want it to be really subtle, almost like it's in the words are in the waves. So they're super skinny, but when you're up close to the painting you could totally read summer breeze in there. But further away you can't really see them, so I kind of like that. They kind of look like little waves themselves. So it was super easy. I just used a toothpick, took a little bit of paint or the resin with white, and just kind of made the letters. So you can see me doing that here, and it worked out really awesome. So I'm super stoked. And I love this challenge that Michael reached out to me for. It's been so much fun trying to incorporate into his, like, he came up with the beach themes. I thought up of incorporating words, and it's pretty cool. So I can't wait to finish the other two and have those up for you. And yeah, it should be super exciting. And I just want to say a big thank you to everybody for subscribing, liking, and commenting. I try to get back to everybody if I can. But it really means a lot to me that you guys are watching my videos, and hopefully they're super helpful for you to create your own. So thanks so much, guys.